With Mattel from Jet Black Tint, San Ramon. What we have today is a 2023 Model X going on. We're going to change the windshield. There's a couple scratches in it, and then also we're going to darken the shade to match the front windows, which are at a 30%. And we also have a warranty on this passenger sliding window on the Falcon door.
Welcome to Jet Black Tints, where we redefine luxury with our exclusive tinting service. Picture a fully loaded Hummer EV, now add our flawless tint job, elevating both style and sustainability to new heights.